This is the introduction of general trinomials, where factoring is very easy. The general trinomial is written as ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are constant, and the result of the answer is the perfect square number. We have the x squared plus 3x plus 2. The factor is x times x, and 2 is 2 times 1. So check the middle term, 2 times x, 2x. Check the middle term, that is x. Then 3x is the answer. Because this is both positive sign, you have to add. Now, to get the answer, we have the x plus 1 and x plus 2. Again, where a equals to 1. What is the a equals to 1? This is the application only for a equals to 1. So this is divisible 1 here. This is the a together with the x squared. Now, since if the a is a equals to 1, we can change the number here when we combine the factors. Example, x plus 1, that's okay. X plus 2, that's okay. Alright? So this is the answer, x plus 1, x plus 2. So this is a factor. Review, we have the multiplication of integers. Negative 2 times negative 3 equals plus 6 or 6. Both sign or like sign is positive. For this unlike sign, we have negative answer. Just multiply. Addition of integers, we have negative 2 plus negative 3 equals negative 5. And 2 plus negative 3 equals to negative 5. As you can see, this is like sign. So add, then copy the sign. This is not same sign. This is called unlike sign. So you have to copy the sign of the higher number that is negative. You have to subtract. Okay. Then same with this one. So again, like sign add, then copy the sign which indicated the number. Then unlike sign subtract, then copy the sign which indicated in the higher number. Examples. We have 1 x squared negative 11x plus 30. So this sign is included, but the sign must be negative. Why? Because the middle term is also negative sign. So for this one, when we multiply like sign or same sign, so you have to use the negative sign here both when we factor to get the middle term negative. Let's go on. X times x and 30 is negative 5 times negative 6. So check. Okay, both negative, we have to add. And this is the answer. The middle term is correct. X negative 5, negative 6. Okay, look it out. So yung this letter A is equals to 1. So even we can change the number here. The 5 goes here and the 6 goes here. That is same because it's the same answer. X minus 6, x minus 5. So there's no problem about it. For trial and error, as you can see the trial and error here, look it out. You test the other factor, but middle term is not correct. So that's it. So it means this is correct. Number 2, x squared minus 27, x plus 50. We have x times x, negative 35 and negative 2. For the middle term, we have to check it out. Negative 25x, negative 2x, and then we have negative 27x. But the answer is x minus 25, x minus 2. As you can see, when we change again, the 25 here goes here, and the 2 it goes here, they're the same answer. Because a is greater than, a is equals to 1. So don't forget, if a equals to 1, so even the number here is changed to the second factor, that's okay. They're the same answer. Okay, let's go on. 3, number 3, x squared minus 14x plus 48. So that we have x times x, 48 is negative 8, negative 6. Check it out. Negative 8x, negative 6x, then negative 14x. So to get the answer, we have x minus 8, x minus 6. Alright. 2x squared minus 5x minus 7. So the last term is indicated with negative. So it means you have to be careful for the sign. So this is 2x times x, and negative 7 is negative times 7. So check the middle term, negative 7, and this one is 2x. Alright, to get the answer, we have this one. The middle term is correct. So x plus 1 and 2x minus 7. Now, as you can see, the 2 here is not equals to 1. So this is greater than 1. So when you get the answer, you have to check it out when you get the answer, or you get the factor. So 2x, for the first term, the first factor here is together with the first factor of last term. 2x minus 7. So you can see. And then same with this one, x plus 1. So this is different with a equals to 1. The previous example. So this a is greater than 1. So check it out, be careful. So when you combine the factoring here, you have to be careful. So 2x minus 7, the first factor of every terms. So this is the combination of the answer, 2x minus 7 and x plus 1. So this is the answer. If you're going to check it out, again, the middle term is the answer for the FOIL method. So 2x times 1 is 2x. Then this was negative 7x. They're the same. We got this negative 5x. Alright, so let's go on. 5. If quantity x plus 2 is one of the factors of x squared plus 20x plus 36, what is the other factor? So as you can see, the given answer here is given. So you're going to find the other factor. Factor for x, where we have x times x, 36 is 18 and 2. Check it out. The a is equals to 1. So there's no problem of factoring. Even you change it here and here, the same answer. Check the middle term. Okay, the middle term is correct. The answer is x plus 18 and x plus 2. So the other factor is x plus 18. Life is a trial and error. Every relationship is not meant to work. Sometimes you're just meant to learn the lessons. By Advisor.